Do you know the lingo? Well, buying a home can be intimidating if you don't know the terms associated with it. So I'm going to give you the top 5 common terms in a real estate transaction to start you down the road to success. First up are closing costs. These are the fees that are associated with closing your loan that you pay at closing. Closing costs include, but are not limited to, title insurance, attorney fees, appraisals, loan processing fees, taxes, and typically these are paid at closing, and buyers will pay between 2 and 5% of the purchase price in closing costs. Number 2 is Piti Reserves. This is a cash amount that you put down as part of your down payment at closing. If you elect this option, the lender will put aside some money of your monthly payment into an account, and they will pay the taxes and the homeowner's insurance when they come due. Third thing, which you probably already know about, is the home inspection. This is a thorough inspection carried out by a licensed home inspector that evaluates the structural and mechanical condition of the property. The home inspection is a crucial aspect of the real estate transaction. During the home inspection, a licensed inspector will review things not limited to the roof, plumbing, electrical, foundation, goes in the attic. He's checking the appliances, washer and dryer, sump pump, and all the aspects of your property. And after that, you'll get a detailed report that's going to show you ages of appliances and things and maintenance things to be aware of, as well as any red flags that we have to address. Private mortgage insurance, otherwise known as PMI. If you put down less than 20% on your loan, the lender is going to require this private mortgage insurance. It serves as added insurance for the lender in the event that you were to default and not pay your loan. The mortgage insurance would kick in. And once you have reached 20% equity in your home, this insurance can go away. The pre-approval is essential when we start home shopping so that you know how much you can afford and what you will be approved for. So this is when you sit down with a lender and they review your tax documents, your pay stubs, and discuss different loan programs available to you. Watch the video we did on the pre-approval process, and click to subscribe for future videos. I'd love to connect with you and help you through the home buying process. Send me a DM or call me at 847-686-3182. Again, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office, and see you next time.